Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make homemade mayonnaise, and these are the ingredients I'm going to use. I have my oil, I have my egg, I have my extracted lime juice, I have my salt, I have my sugar, and I have my black pepper. So right now I'm going to add everything into this blender cup. This is my salt, my oil, my egg, my lime juice. You can use apple cider vinegar, you can use lemon as well, it's your choice. And this is my sugar. And this is my black pepper. This choice is my choice, so it's optional. So right now I'm going to blend everything together. Okay, I'll be right back. So guys, like I said, after blending it, this is my final outcome. You cannot see that this is not so real. As you can see, you can even see some of my black powder stuff. I have to freeze it. I didn't freeze it, I put it inside the fridge so that the temperature can calm down. After blending it, it will somehow hot. So this is my final outcome. So I'm going to store it inside a container and put it inside my fridge. I can use it to eat my bread or mix my salad. You can use it to eat anything of your choice. Hope you can see the consistency. This is the best homemade mayonnaise you can find out there. Thank you for watching. Please, if you're new to my channel, please remember to subscribe. For my old returning subscribers, you guys are the real G. Thank you so much. I love you all. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video.